was a wig, but it was small enough to be a frontal. Like, some of y'all were in sped, obviously, and lack a few brain cells. So before you comment on my video, I need you to go find them and go argue with your mama and not me before you come for me, because I like to fight them.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention.
Can y'all see me really good? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. But if you're an OG, welcome back. What it do? How are you? Woo! So today I am filming in a different space. I am filming in a different location today because y'all got me messed up. And I've been silent long enough. I can't tell what this video is about by the title. This video is about Alipearl. Alipearl is a hair company. It's to them and their customers. I'm going to be reading a little bit of hate comments today, but I'm not going to be mentioning names because y'all life ain't that important for me to just be out here just giving y'all some shout out. Is this better? I had to go get my ring light. Okay, so this all started about a year ago, right? You heard me right, a year ago. So I've been getting bashed on the internet over a video. It's called The Truth About Alipearl. They played me. So if you haven't seen that video, please go check that out first and then come back here and give me your thoughts. I mean, to me, it kind of went viral, I guess you can say. So basically, I ordered some hair from this hair company, right? Right, okay. So when it came, okay, no, to start, it's all over the place. I'm trying to get everything in because I'm so ready to read these comments and get back at y'all nigga. When I went online and read the reviews, everyone was like, order a size down, like, you know, because the cap is really big. Mind you, my head is big. I don't know if y'all can tell from like right here, like, but I have a huge head. Like, can y'all see? It's like not proportional to my body. I don't think. That's what it is. And so everybody in the comments, I think on Alipearl or AliExpress, they were like, order size down because my wig keep falling off and I don't know how to sew wigs down. I'm not into that, and I just, you know, I didn't want to go through that. And people were like, my head is big. I ordered a medium and even that was too big, so get a small. Now, mind you, I ordered a small, and it's the 180 density, the body wave hair. Like I said, everything you want to know about the hair is in that video, so if you want to see that, go check that out. Okay, so I ordered the hair, and when it came, you know, the hair was nice, like it felt nice and soft. The baby hairs was on fleek when it came, but I put it on. Yes, I know I should have braided my hair down. I didn't in that video, but like I said, I put it on my mom's head, who is literally bald. Like, she has like a TWA. Her hair is like this big, like this little. So I put it on her head, and it didn't fit. Like, it was a frontal. They mailed me a frontal. It had to be. It had to be a frontal. I mean, it was a wig, but it was small enough to be a frontal. Like, and I was pissed. So the problem with with that video, because I should have ordered up, you know, I should have like, you know, measured my head and did all of that, but I didn't. Who gonna check me? That's not the problem. The problem was I tried to send it back and get my money back, and the customer service was whack, and so that's why I did the video. You know, I wasn't even gonna do a video at first had they did what I asked them to do, which was send me my coins back. So I asked them, hey, can I get a refund? Everything that you want to know about that, I'm not here to address that anymore. I'm over it, but I'm letting y'all know that video is about their customer service. Some of y'all were in sped, obviously, and lack a few brain cells. So before you comment on my video, I need you to go find them and go argue with your mama and not me before you come for me, because I like to fight in real life, okay? Okay, cool. It was about their customer service, because when I tried to take the wig back, they were like, oh, you bleached the knots, oh, you did this and you did that to the wig. And I'm like, girl, I don't even know how to do all that. Quit trying to play me. This is my third day out here. I don't know. So that was my problem with them. Now this is where all the hate began. Let me go to I got my mom's phone, so I'm gonna just go to my channel and read the comments. And I want to address some of the comments. Like I said, I'm not going to be dropping names because y'all life is very irrelevant to me. It's just, I want to clarify, because I can't find it anywhere in my, like, I've searched within myself and I've meditated, and I'm like, I'm trying to understand what y'all don't understand. If you did not watch the whole video, don't comment on my stuff. Don't comment on my stuff because I got time. You know, I'm going to comment back. Some of the stuff's so rude, y'all. People calling me bees and everything in these comments. Like, can y'all see me? I don't know. Let me show y'all. They going in. Alipearl also, this about y'all too because y'all whack. And I don't know if it's like the whole company that's whack, but I know whoever I order from is pretty whack. I think her name was Jennifer or something. Everything is in that video, like I said. But yeah, when I tried to send it back, the girl lied on me. I'm like, girl, what is you doing? This is the video. Alipearl played me the truth about Alipearl hair, pics included. But Alipearl harassed me literally for like 3 months. No lie. I wonder if I can like go back and pull up the emails. They begged me. They were like, they offered me a lot of money to take that video down, but I'm like, no, because I'm a real person. Like, you know how some people, like, you have influencers, like YouTubers out here just doing stuff for check. I would never do that. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. You know, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because the people who out there who work like a 9 to 5 or like, you know what I'm saying, who work hard for their money, they deserve to know the truth. It's a few emails, I think in total I've gotten about 10, where companies want to like send me stuff and make me make a video about it. They want to send me stuff and me make a video. But like, for example, a company tried to send me like facial cleansing stuff. I've got makeup. Well, I haven't gotten makeup, but I've got emails about getting makeup, like skin stuff. I don't do none of that, so I would never, you know, unless it's something that I already use, I would never do that. I don't care how much you pay me. I don't care how much, you know, this or that. If I don't use it, I'm not gonna promote it. Because what if people out there who working like for $7.25, you know what I'm saying, a minimum wage job, working hard for their coins, and here I am lying just for me to get a check, and them wasting their money. Karma is real, y'all. Okay, this has 255 comments. Let's get it started. Okay, help me understand why I self-proclaimed big head ordered a small. I ordered a small because everyone told me to. Like, you know, in the comments they were like, this is really big, it's falling off. I already told y'all that. This is the dumbest video I've ever seen in my life. Click off. And see, me, I'm the type of person who can kill you with my words. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can kill with my words. And I do in these comments because I got time. Don't come for me if I ain't sent for you. I'm going to be at your neck. And see, the thing about me, I try so hard. Like, it's hard for me not to comment back. Like, I have, like, so many... So many freaking comments on here, like... It's so hard, like, and I have time, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm a real person. Like, I got beef with real people in real life, you know what I'm saying? I don't do the internet stuff. And that's why I think my channel hasn't taken off where it's supposed to be, because God knows that I ain't got no sense. But like I said, for all the people who need me to say it slower, let me say it slower, because some of y'all, that may be the problem. You can't, you know, you're like... succubus or like imbeciles. Let me explain. The problem was the customer service with Alipearl hair, not the actual hair. Even though they sent me a wig the size of a frontal. Some of these I ain't gonna even read because they're just so stupid. I want to go to the, you just a dumb AB. I ain't even respond to that one because your life is already miserable, you know? Somebody told me, never mind, I ain't gonna even say it, I ain't gonna even repeat it. And see me, I'm trying to become slow to anger because I get very mad very quick and I be ready to fight. And I realize that I can't fight, you know, 300 people at one time, but I can try. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how celebrities who have like hate like thousands of comments a day, I will hire a team to come hurt your feelings, because I just feel like I don't mess with nobody. So people who mess with me, I feel like you a bully, but I'm a big bully. Woo! Stop messaging me, because no amount of money you can pay me is gonna get this video down. I've told y'all why. Like, people work too hard for their money. Quit trying to play me and these folks. That's why I don't even watch like sponsored videos. Like YouTube, I understand you gotta get paid, but it's the right way to do wrong. Somebody said, show the wig, fatty. Now, see, usually I will go in. I will usually go ham on these, on him. But like, Fairy Princess is her name. It be the people like who don't even have a profile, weird ass name, who want to talk crap. And like, some days, like when I wake up and I see notifications and like mean comments, it don't make me sad. Like, don't get me wrong. It don't make me sad. It makes me like angry. Because I feel like some people do that to get a reaction out of me. And sometimes you do. And I really hate when people get a reaction out of me, because it's like I have so much. Like, the video got 444 likes and 200 dislikes. So more people enjoyed the video than people who didn't. You get what I'm saying? So I try to focus on like the people who have nice things to say and comment back to them instead of commenting back to like negativity. You get what I'm saying? Because I was always like, you know, why do celebrities comment back to the people who are bashing them or talking bad about them instead of the people who are saying something good about them? I think that's stupid. So I got to stop doing that. I'm not even going to read that comment because it's so stupid. That girl just called me fat, or boy, I don't know. That don't offend me, by the way. That don't offend me. Somebody said, I wouldn't have offered you a refund either. Well, I hope you don't ever start a fucking business. I'm sorry. I hope you don't ever in life start a business. I hope you work. Never mind, I'm not going to wish that on you. But like I said, I'm trying not to kill people with my words. I hope you never in life start a business, because you would be horrible at it. And I'm not even going to say her name. You know who you are, because I'm sure you're watching this video. Like, were y'all in sped? Like, it's okay if you are. Just let me know so I can know how to address you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta like, okay, so let's say if you're a teacher, right? You have like you have your higher functioning students, you know, the average students, and then you have below average, like the ones who need remediation, the ones who need to go to sped in their spare time. Were y'all there? Let me know so I can know how to address you and talk to you and break things down. Because people who have a higher functioning mindset, like who have all of their brain cells, understood what this video was about. Somebody was like, shut up, come shut me up. And it's like, people would never say this stuff to you in real life, ever. This why I can't watch black people do nothing. I don't know if I'm pretty sure it's a black person that commented this, because it is a wig video. I mean, white people wear wigs too, but this is why I can't watch black people do nothing. That's why you'll never be nothing. I said what I said. For anybody who has anything to say, you can leave them in the comments. I don't care about that at this point. You know what I'm saying? I've gotten really, really rude comments. I don't care at this point. I said what I don't apologize for what I say. I know how to fight. I'm done. This is all I want to read. It's like so stupid. Hold on. No, this video is old, but you had me rolling. I was sitting here crying. You made my day. See, some people enjoy what I do. Thank you, Michelle Cherry. And I think people think I'm being funny when I say stuff like, or mean. It's not that. I say what y'all scared to say. You know what I'm saying? I say what need to be said. And I've always been that way. And people have, all throughout my life, people have called me mean. I'm just like a blunt person. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. I don't care if it hurts your feelings. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to say what I have to say. Because guess what? You say what you have to say. I'm not going to be a prisoner to my own thoughts. So, like, if I come for you, I meant what I said. Okay? I meant what I said. But, okay, that's enough of that energy. I'm trying to better my life and bring positive vibes and spread love, you know. Some t-shirts. Can y'all see? Spread love and happiness across my channel. I don't want it to be a negative thing. I was just coming to clarify some of the comments. Will I ever order from Alipearl hair again? No, because the customer service is whack, and there's many. I'd rather, and so I don't, look, I'm not going to spend my hard coins with somebody who has such poor customer service and don't care nothing about their customers. You know what I'm saying? They just care about a check. that ain't me. So no. And if you have ordered from them and your experience was good, let me know in the comments. This isn't to bash them. I'm just giving my honest opinion. You know, that's all I can do. But like I said, 3 months they harassed me to take the video down. I'm like, no, bro, you don't tell me what to do. And I still get, like, I woke up this morning to a mean comment. What did that comment say? What did that comment say I saw this morning? Somebody said, your attitude sucks. You're probably the type to go in a restaurant to stir problems. Trouble. I don't care. Block me. What? Okay. My attitude sucks because you suck. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to have a good attitude with dumbass people. You know what I'm saying? My patience is like here with stupidity. That's why my attitude sucks. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have to explain nothing to you because you watching me. You commenting, I'm still getting paid from that video to this day. So I could care less about what you have to say. Like, you're probably the type to go in a restaurant. I do. If it's a problem, I speak up. I don't just sit there like a fucking and twiddle my fingers and you know what I'm saying? I'm not timid. I'm very vigilant. I'm militant. If it's something that need to be done, I do it. I'm not like you, okay? We ain't the same. We ain't the same. Else I saw one more. One more for the one more. Somebody said, show the wig, B. Your head and I ain't gonna even read that because it's I'm ashamed. Woo! Like people in here calling me fat. I'm sure you wish you had what I had, but that's another story for another day. Somebody called me a horrible teacher because oh yeah, somebody called me a horrible teacher because of the way I type on YouTube, because of the way I speak on YouTube. And let me just let you know this right here. First of all, that's a whole nother, I know I'm not the average teacher, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm not the type that's gonna go in there and, you know, I'm very, trust me. And I bet this person, I bet you don't even have a college degree. So I don't really even wanna like go into detail, you know what I'm saying? Or give you the time of day, because I'm sure you didn't graduate. Because anybody who graduated college would never say something like that. Please do not let these euphemisms I use reflect. Actually, I don't care if you think I'm not even gonna respond to that. But just because of how I speak does not mean I'm educated. I'm very educated. You probably wish you were more educated. The way I speak, the way I talk, the way I type has nothing to do with me intellectually, how I am and how smart I am as a person, because I'm pretty much a damn genius. So but yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. Please be sure to like, give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below. Hate comments, you can leave them too, because I really don't care. You know, spread love. You want to spread love. It's a reflection of you, to be honest. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Alipearl is such, I don't recommend. 10/10 when I recommend. Again, don't shop there, you know. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.